Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are all having a wonderful day. In today's video, I am going to show you how to unlock an iPhone without password using two simple methods. Let's get started. Method number 1. How to unlock iPhone without password using a software. In this video, I am going to use the software called iPhone Lock Wiper. You can get the software from the link given in the video description below. This software is also available for Mac users. After installing the software into your computer, open it up. Once opened, click on Unlock Screen Passcode. Click on Start. Now connect your iPhone to computer using your USB cable. After connecting your iPhone, click on Next. Now get your iPhone into recovery mode by following the instructions provided by the software. This software gives instructions for all iPhone models, so you need to follow the instructions accordingly. My iPhone is iPhone X, so I have to press volume up, volume down, and then keep press and holding the power button. In your case, it will be different. All you have to do is get your iPhone into this screen by following the instructions provided by the software. Alright, after putting your iPhone into recovery mode, this software will ask you to download the latest version of iOS for your device. As you can see, this software is suggesting me to download iOS version 16.3.1. In your case, it will be different. Just click on download and downloading will begin. This process will take time depending on your internet speed. Once the firmware is downloaded, the software will give you this option. Just click on unlock. Now type these zeros below to start unlocking your iPhone. After that, this software will start unlocking your iPhone's passcode. While this process is taking place, would you please like this video and share it with your friends? Your one like and share means a world to me, so thank you so much for your support. After removing the password, this software will give you this message, so just click on done and close it. And on the other hand, just set up your iPhone as if it's brand new. I will skip this step assuming you already know that. So now let me show you the second method. Our second method is unlocking an iPhone without password and without computer. For this method to work, your iPhone must be connected to internet through Wi-Fi or a cellular network, and also you must be using an Apple ID on your iPhone. After that, just input wrong password several times. Then you will see this erase iPhone option. Tap on it once again, and now tap your Apple ID password to sign out. After that, just tap on go and wait for your iPhone to restart. Once your iPhone is restarted, everything on your iPhone will be erased, including the lock screen password. Now all you have to do is go through setup process. That's how easy it is. So there you have it, guys. That is how you can unlock an iPhone without password using these two methods. Please let me know which one of these options were helpful to you. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I would love to hear them. And also, if this video was helpful to you by any means, then please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Your one like and share means a world to me, so thank you so much if you do. And if you want more videos like this in the future, then please subscribe to my channel. And I will catch you on the next one. Stay blessed, stay safe. Peace.